improved service for people with learning disabilities. Now, looking around this room, it looks pretty strong to me. Being healthy, as we all know, is very important for everyone within the community. However, it has been acknowledged that people with learning disabilities on occasion find it difficult to access both primary and secondary health services, whilst the Learning Disability Partnership Board is working with the GPs and the hospital to improve access to health services. It is also important to recognise that being healthy means much more than being able to see your family doctor or nurse. It also means knowing that other services such as chemists, opticians can help you. And now taking exercise, which we all know is important to take exercise. I wish I could take it. And meeting friends and can make you feel happy and healthy. There are over 20 organisations here today, ranging from local chemists who will take your blood pressure, Vivacity, who are hosting sporting activities in the reception room all day. Please keep your raffle ticket, I don't see no one, that you were given when you came in, and this will allow you to have a free cup of tea and biscuit. I hope you enjoy your day. Be happy, be healthy. Thank you.